You asked, how to divide 1061 by 7 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 10. 10 divided by 7 equals 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. 10 minus 7 equals 3. Bring down 6, making 36. 36 divided by 7 equals 5. 5 times 7 equals 35. 36 minus 35 equals 1. Bring down 1, making 11. 11 divided by 7 equals 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. 11 minus 7 equals 4. The remainder is 4. The final result is 151 remainder 4.